What can I do about poking braces wires?
Invisalign and braces.
Do braces
Which
hurt?
is
Why do
What types of braces exist?
What
cost
type
so
of retainer
much?
should I get?
What is an ERPS and why does my orthodontist hate me?
Hello, this is Seymour Orthodontics. How may I help you?
Hi, my son's a patient and he's having trouble getting wax to stick. Can he come in so you can show him how to do that?
I'd love to get you scheduled, but first, have you tried the Braces app? It has a tutorial that could save you an appointment. There's a tutorial on how to get your wire back in the bracket. There's a tutorial on how to deal with sharp spots on a wire. There's a tutorial to show how to get aligners. There's a tutorial on how to help with sore spots.
I like that color palette better. I think.
It's so cute, but it's just we're gonna go home. Okay, give me a second.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
The important thing is that they always want to return to their original.
It's free.
How much does it cost?
It's free.
Maybe I could get it for free.
It's free, right?